Hello, I'm Eliza and I'm a sixth former.
I'm Jackie, I'm also a sixth former.
And we're going to show you how to properly go through the dish room. When there aren't that many people, you can just do what you have to do, but when there are a lot of people, like there are right now,
We're about to show you how to properly go through the dish room, guys, so follow us.
First,
Come over.
Come on, guys.
First, we compost. Put all the scraps into the compost bin.
Should we wait?
Yes.
Good job, guys. Good job, team.
You're doing great.
Now, you're going to put your utensils in the correctly marked bin. Now you put your mugs here and your cups here.
And then you put your plate.
Plates go here and bowls go here. And that is how you
properly clear your dishes.
And you go exit through this